hit with a copyright claim on Amazon, here's how to resolve it fast and keep your account safe. Right, so recently we had 2 clients that got copyright claims, and what we did is said, don't worry, we're going to get this fixed and resolved within 30 days. Now, it did take around 16 days to get resolved, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it. Now, they got this policy warning. Right when you get this policy warning, it said, rights owner alleging that the product or packaging on the listing may infringe on the owner's copyright. Now, copyright in the US is one of the weakest claims you can do, aka you're able to dispute it and get it removed, especially on Amazon. It's called a DMCA counter notice. Okay, the rights owner, okay, so it has all that fun information, right? Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your Amazon account. You're going to go to your, it's going to say performance, account health, go there, and then you're going to dispute the claim. So you're going to click submit information right here. And then what you're going to do is it's just going to make you check a couple boxes, put your name, and then file that DMCA counter notice. Amazon has made it a lot easier to do this. Just go ahead and do that. And then what's going to happen after you do that is you're going to get a performance notification just like this. It's going to say, hello, we received your counter notice, and the same will be processed and sent to the complainant within 48 hours, right? And it says they have 10 business days to sue you. If they don't sue you, then you will get reinstated. And it might take up to 16 days, right? So in 10 business days, what's going to happen is right when you file this, you're going to ask ChatGPT or just do the math yourself. What's 10 business days after receiving this notice? Sometimes it takes a day or 2 days to actually receive this notice because Amazon is slow. Once you receive this notice, then it's 10 business days from this notice, right? So you just wait 10 business days and then contact Amazon. You're going to save this as a PDF. You should have also gotten an email. If you didn't get this, right, what you want to do is message Amazon and be like, where's my, counter notice? I submitted the file. And again, sometimes it takes Amazon 2 or 3 days to actually accept that you sent them a counter notice and then send this to you. So it takes Amazon a little bit of time, but bear with them. Again, if no email, contact seller support. Once you get this email, send it to seller support right away. And just so you have a written record, be like, I received this. I'm going to wait 10 business days. And on this day, I'm going to follow up and I should get reinstated unless they file a lawsuit, which they usually don't. Right? But I'm not an attorney. Up to you and how you want to do this. Now, we waited 15 days, and then what we did is we messaged Amazon, and we had proof that we got the counter notice, and it actually has the date on here too. So you send that to Amazon, be like, hey, it's been 10 business days. I would like the item to now be reinstated. There was no lawsuit. Reinstate our item, pretty please. And then after about 24 hours, all of a sudden, our listing is reinstated. Right? And then Amazon's going to send this and said, we received your appeal and accepted it. In an effort to protect our community, we sometimes err on the side of caution. We are sorry for any inconvenience this has caused. It's funny, nobody ever uses that term except Amazon. And then pretty much they tell you what to do to get reinstated. You might have to contact Amazon again and be like, hey, I got this notice. Please reinstate it. The inventory is still stranded. Please reinstate it. So again, it did take around, 15 days, 10 business days, right? And then the total wait time was 17 days. And then finally the inventory was showing back up. The listing was fully reinstated. What sometimes happens is the listing's reinstated, but if you have FBA inventory, it's still stranded. So you have to contact Amazon to fix the stranded inventory, and then it's officially activated. So in total, it did take 17 days for us to resolve this. It could take longer because sometimes Amazon sends this initial DMCA notification and it takes them a lot longer, but this is the step-by-step on how to do it. And the best thing you could do is just wait, be patient, breathe, write that, make sure you get this notice, save this notice, write down the date, when you got this notice, and then 10 business days from this date, and then you're going to dispute with Amazon to get your listing reinstated, right? So it's just a step-by-step process. And again, these are all recommendations. I'm not an attorney in any way, but we've done it hundreds of times for our clients. And so far, none of them ever received a lawsuit, knock on wood. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our Amazon account management service. This is where we're going to be managing your account health, disputing any notices like this, trademark, patent, getting your listings reinstated, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, design, increasing sales, and much more. The benefit of this service is you can spend time relaxing and expanding your business, while we're doing the day-to-day operations 7 days a week, 365 all the time, so you can save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Haggett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.